reviewing another game. Today we're reviewing a game called Gator Vacator. It looks quite interesting actually. It's probably one of the ones I'm most excited for in these series. For the past 10 or so weeks, I actually misread this to start with, I thought it said years. I've been working on a quirky stealth action game and documenting my development process. Gator Vacator is a stealth game unless you want to get mowed down by the aggressive gators that outnumber you. Unfortunately, you only have one bullet and a trekking suit. Again, you just reading that, you kind of like know it's going to be a little bit weird, but cool at the same time. A playable teaser demo, which is what we're going to be playing. The demo is a very stripped down demonstration of gameplay and travelling between missions. Gameplay is only really what we're going to be testing. We're not really testing much story, so that's fine. There's plenty of content in the pipeline, some of which I will keep a secret. Actually, most of which you've like kept a secret, unless it's dropped on there. But anyway, thanks for checking it out. You know, whatever. We're gonna just get into it. The first thing I noticed about this was it was an installer for a demo. That's not like brilliant. You can just change it to be a single runtime thing. It works much better because most people will avoid these ones, and that's probably why you've not got any comments. But yeah, we're just gonna give it a run. I actually really like the like loading screen menu, whatever. You get this thing. This is again pretty cool. I like it. I like this a lot. Actually, the like movement is pretty cool. We're gonna go demo 1. Thanks for checking out the demo. I like the helicopter. It's pretty cool, especially the shadow. Okay, so don't know if these things like shelter us. We've got 1 bullet, 3 gators. I have no clue what the controls are. Oh god. I don't know if we like... Where are we going? I don't know what we're doing. How we've got to take these guys out. We've only got... Oh, okay, like that. That'll do. Wait, what? Yeah, I think I need to get better at this. We need to think this through. If I knew that we could, like, reveal myself a little bit. Okay, yikes. We have 2 bullets, I think. Do we? I don't know. I'm confused. I'm confused what this number is. Could be like... Don't know. That was a mess. Brilliant. It seems pretty hard. I probably just gotta pick up the controls though. So if we like shoot that guy, okay, he's down. Brilliant. We can't shoot again. We run out of bullets. Brilliant. I think the problem is you kind of want to get like one of them to come. We missed. How do we miss at that range? Have a clue. Okay, just keep missing. Brilliant. If we get them to shoot, can we hit them out? Oops. Not with that timing, we can't. Oh right, okay, that's much easier. Okay. Yeah, we did it. Oh, so for each one we kill, we with a melee we get. Okay, well yeah, for each one we kill with a melee we get a bullet. Brilliant. Then mission 2. Okay, so by the looks of it, if they're looking away, the best way to go is just to whack them in the back. And then when you go, so like that, boom. Right. Okay. Is there anyone else here, or is it that was it? Okay. That was pretty simple. I think I've got the hang of it now. I don't know, do we have to get picked up by this helicopter or what? Oh, yeah, helicopter down here. Okay, there we go. Okay, I think we did that one perfectly. I don't think we could have done that any better. Let's do another one. I like the art and stuff. The art's pretty cool. I like the gameplay as well, but I think at the moment they're a little bit stupid. like the AI. Oh, okay, you're not stupid. So you can't just come up and whack him in the face, I don't think. I think you do have to be a bit more cautious. See, this one's a little bit cleverer. Oh, okay, we messed that up then. We're gonna try and whack him in the back. Perfect. Brilliant. We could probably just shoot these guys down. Oh, what? You like dodged it. How'd you do that? That's not fair. There we go. We did it. Hop in the helicopter. Brilliant. Okay. So we didn't do that one as well. Obviously we shot more bullets, but okay, I think that's those out. Those are all the missions. Right. I guess we'll go back and do it again. This time we'll talk about the gameplay and stuff. So definitely in these demos there is not much difficulty. Yeah, you can see there. Kind of once you get the hang of it, it's very quick. So right, that's the high score. I think we did 2 perfectly. We didn't do 3 perfectly. So yeah, I think the gameplay possibly have those 3 easy ones, and then have like one hard one, like an end game level to try and like show off all the fancy mechanics and stuff. Okay, he's seen me. Yikes. Like, what is he doing? He's just in a wall. He's not got a clue what's going on. I think the chicken suit's a bit interesting as well. I don't know what, I think the no cautions thing is like, oh, okay, it's to do with if they see you. So I guess there's probably a route for each one that you could like take that would enable you to do that. Like, that's not going to work because he's just straight watching that guy. So I like the movement stuff. It feels kind of fluid actually, which is nice to see. Alright, yeah, we're just gonna whack you in the back. Yeah, I'd like to see maybe like a speed run kind of thing. That'd be pretty cool. Because I could see this being a speed run kind of thing. Maybe like a time bonus or something. That'd be pretty cool. Then if that's the thing. Oh no, there is time bonus. Never mind. I'm stupid. Okay, yeah, we got high score again. Brilliant. So yeah, I actually quite like it. It feels pretty cool. I'd definitely like to see a few more levels though. Definitely a few harder levels because I didn't feel those were very challenging. But you know what? Whatever. I like the aspect of it, the whole thing, like they're gators and you've got a chicken soup. Brilliant. I love it. I definitely want to see this one to go a little bit further. I would actually probably pay money for this one. So yeah, actually really good job on that one. Just add in a few more levels, a few more challenging stuff because personally there wasn't enough to make me like want to get it straight away. But anyway, if you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, what else do you guys want to do, and I'll talk to you in the next one.